Hello friends, today we'll discuss about asynctask. What is asynctask and why it is required in Android and what is the benefit of asynctask. What is asynctask? Asynctask enables the proper and easy use of the UI thread. This class allows to perform background operations and publish the results on the UI thread without having to manipulate threads and or handlers. When to use? Android implements single thread model, and whenever an Android application is launched, a thread is created. Assuming we are doing network operations on a button click in our application, on button click a request would be made to the server and a response will be awaited. Due to single thread model of Android, till the time response is waited, our screen is non-responsive. So we should avoid performing long-running operations on the UI thread. This includes file and network access. To overcome this, we can create new thread and implement run method to perform this network call, so UI remains responsive. But since Android follows single thread model and Android UI toolkit is not thread safe, so if there is a need to make some change to the UI based on the result of the operation performed, then this approach may lead some issues. In async tasks, there are some methods, main methods. What are the main methods? On pre-execute, on progress update, on post execute, on cancel, do in background, and publish progress. UI thread and non-UI thread, that is background thread. There are two types of threads in Android, you can say, that is one is UI thread and another is background thread, that is non-UI thread. In UI thread means when you are doing the async task execute is called, the first call will be on pre-execute. After that it will be transferred to background thread, that is do in background method call. In the do in background will be do the long running operations, and if you want to update from background thread to UI thread, you can use publish progress method, that will be called the callback as on progress update in the UI thread. After the do in background, the long running operation is update is complete, the on post execute will be called. And finally, if you in between any time you cancel your async task call, that time UI thread will get a callback on cancel. What is the benefits? Increase the UI response and handle easily ANR issues. What is ANR? ANR means application non-responsive. Take an example, an Android application is launched, UI thread is created, main thread hits the server to download MP3 file from internet. Downloading of MP3 file takes time. Application becomes unresponsive as the main thread waiting for the download to complete has gone to hang state. Let's have a code. Extend the async task method, create your custom class, and override do in background, on progress of update, on post execute, on pre execute, and this your custom class object and call dot execute method with params. So if you see in async task, you are passing some data types. There are mainly three types of data types you are passing. The first data type is same as do in background params, and it's same as execute method. Whatever the parameters you are passing, it will be same type. And the second parameter integer is same as the on progress update parameters, and the last parameter long is same as the do in background return type and on post execute parameter type. So this is the mainly you keep in mind when you creating async task. What is the data type if you passing, where and all you need to do changes. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.